Listen to the water. Listen to the cell. It remembers the heaven where the frequencies dwell. No fracture in the spirit, no damage in the soul. Just a ripple in the river, waiting to be whole. Breathe in the rose, breathe in the thaw. I am exactly what I was.
They told me I was broken, told me I was torn, but the ice in the river was just waiting to be born. I am not the wound, I am the fluid in the vein, washing out the memory of the ancient pain.
Every tear I cried was a seed of a liquid light. Every fear I held was just a shadow in the night. I don't fight the darkness, I don't battle with the cold. I just sing the frequency that turns the ice to gold. I am love that repairs.
I am the pulse that clears.
225.
The rose quartz flame, melting the density, calling my name.
I don't fix
what was never broke, I just melt the illusion, I dissolve the yoke.
my water.
Remembers its perfect design. I am the mercy,
I am the divine. I am love that repairs.
Forgiveness isn't pardoning the dark, it's unhooking the energy, it's leaving the mark. I withdraw my power from the stories of the past. I flood the cellular lattice with a love so vast. I am the tuning fork, striking in the chest, putting every wandering fragment to rest. When my heart beats true, the atoms align, drinking in the mercy of the liquid design.
Lumia, besacqua, solna, elumel Rachamim, thawing the deep, zarumeli, omniva, rahem.
Melt the density, return to the flow where the water remembers, the spirit will grow.
I am love that repairs.
I am the pulse that clears.
285.
The rose quartz flame, melting the density, calling my name.
I don't fix
what was never broke, I just melt the illusion, I dissolve the yoke. My water remembers its perfect design. I am the mercy,
I am the divine. I am love that repairs.
drink the water, feel the thaw. I am the river, I am the law, no